Welcome to AI for Absolute Beginners. Today, we're demystifying the most common type of machine learning, supervised learning. Imagine you're studying for a massive exam, but here's the twist. You have the answer key for every single practice question. That's essentially how supervised learning works. By the end of this short video, you will completely understand supervised learning, why it's called supervised, and see how it powers the AI we use every day. Let's start with the fundamental building block of supervised AI, the data. In supervised learning, every piece of data comes with a quote label. This label is the correct answer. You give the AI the input, the question, and you also give it the correct output, the answer key. We call this labeled data. Take house price prediction. The input might be the size of the house, say 1,500 square feet. The label is the actual selling price, like $300,000. For every single training example, the AI knows exactly what the right answer should be. The correct price, $300,000, acts like a supervisor or a teacher. It constantly tells the AI if its prediction is right or wrong, providing the necessary guidance for learning. That's why it's called supervised learning. Now let's look at the actual training process. How does the AI go from guessing to accurate predictions? The process starts simple. The AI model takes the input, say 1,500 square feet, and makes a completely random, often very wrong, guess at the price. Next, it checks its guess against the answer key, the label of $300,000. It sees how far off it was. If it guessed $500,000, it knows it needs to adjust its internal mechanisms to predict a lower number next time. This cycle of guess, check, and adjust is repeated thousands, often millions of times, using millions of different house examples until the model's errors are tiny and its predictions are highly accurate. Repetition is key to mastering the data. Supervised learning is everywhere. Here are 3 powerful examples you interact with constantly. First, email spam detection. Input, an email text. Label, spam or not spam. The AI learns to classify incoming emails based on the millions of pre-labeled emails it has seen. Second, medical diagnosis. Input, a scan or medical image. Label, malignant or benign. Doctors train AI, using thousands of labeled images to help identify diseases accurately. Third, stock price prediction. Input, historical stock data, company news. Label, the actual stock price the next day. The AI learns the complex relationship between various inputs and future outcomes. To quickly recap, supervised learning relies on having labeled data, the input plus the correct answer. This data feeds into the model training process, which constantly adjusts based on the quote supervisor's feedback, leading to highly accurate predictions. Now for your action step. Think about your own life. Where do you act as the supervisor for an AI? Name 3 problems in your daily life that could be solved by a supervised learning model, and drop them in the comments below. In our next video, video 24, we'll dive into a completely different type of AI, unsupervised learning, where the AI has to learn without the answer key. Subscribe so you don't miss it.